G'day, I'm Ken from Street Machine and I'm here on behalf of VPW to talk about their brand new range of transmission and bell housing packages. The way they've gone about this is pretty simple. They've taken their RTS bell housings and paired them with either TCI transmissions, as you can see here, or, for the manual guides, these awesome Tremec manuals. By doing so, they create a package to suit any engine combo you need, and it's an awesome way to put your power to the ground. For those of you in the automatic market, there's a few options for you. You got your typical Turbo 400 upgrades for your barrows, and there's even the option to put a power glide behind an RB. For the manuals, there's this awesome Tremec beside me right here that can be used with an RTS bell housing, and like all RTS bell housings, they're SFI certified, so you can go really fast while keeping it fully legal. We should also mention VPW do a huge range of flywheels, flex plates, conversion kits and so on. So if you need to do a transmission swap, they've got just about everything you need. So to find what you are chasing and see the full range, head to VPW's website at vpw.com.au.